Global manufacturing is changing, faster timelines, tougher environments, and tighter supply chains. That's why One-Off Robotics created the Nomad, a fully containerized metal 3D printing system. The Nomad puts advanced manufacturing capabilities exactly where they're needed. No shop floor required. Powered by wire arc additive manufacturing, known as WAM.
Right now, you buy a block of metal, like a billet, and you put it into a CNC machine, and you start making the object you care about.
Instead of waiting for a block of metal to arrive, WAM uses a robotic arm and welding wire to build solid metal parts layer by layer. No welding experience required.
We've made it as simple as entering length, width, and height for you to be able to make that same qualified block of metal. Now, this allows anyone with any level of experience to walk in and follow the user prompts in order to make parts.
You can build your own billet, or even your final part on demand. It's industrial grade, proven, and ready to deploy anywhere. Nomad lets you create usable, near-net shaped parts, reducing waste, speeding up workflows, and increasing flexibility in the field.
All you need to know is right here. And while it's printing, you don't have to do any corrections, you don't have to babysit it, you don't have to make sure it's printing how you expect it to, because it uses processes both from our thermal camera and the wire electrode on the welder to sense the part and see how it's printing and adjust. We've got 2 stations here that are actually going to do the maintenance for you as it prints.
We see this as really expanding the market for capabilities. The systems are highly reliable and highly capable, but it is challenging to make complex parts the first time. The more talented resource pool is able to produce the program. This allows the operator to load the program, hit play, and make the part they care about, and then move that right into their standard production.
Nomad is constructed from a standard certified shipping container that retains its original certification status, even after being reinforced and ruggedized. Maintaining its stock exterior appearance, it's designed to be simple to use, made for field. Rugged, mobile, and plug-and-play. Nomad is about speed and access. It's about building what you need when you need it, without waiting, without shipping, and without compromise. Drop it into place, power it up, and start creating. This is Nomad by One-Off Robotics.